Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of baking and cooking with a review of the Cuisinart SMD-50BC Precision Pro 5.5-quart digital stand mixer. We found this impressive stand mixer online and have included a link in the description for you to check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what makes this stand mixer stand out. The Cuisinart SMD-50BC is not just any mixer, it's a powerful kitchen appliance designed to make your cooking and baking experience more enjoyable and efficient. With a robust 500-watt motor and 12 different speeds, it provides precision mixing for a variety of recipes, from delicate meringues to thick bread dough. One of the first features that catches your eye is its LED digital display. This display is not just for show, it illuminates when the mixer is in operation, making it easy to see your settings at a glance. The LED dial allows for smooth adjustments between speeds, ensuring you find the perfect setting for whatever you're mixing. Another great feature is the countdown timer paired with an auto-off function. This is a game changer for busy home cooks. You can set the timer for your mixing duration, and the mixer will automatically shut off when the time is up, preventing overmixing or burning out your motor. Plus, it has 3 pre-programmed food prep settings that take the guesswork out of the equation, making it easier than ever to get consistent results. The Cuisinart SMD-50BC also comes with a polished stainless steel 5.5-quart bowl equipped with a helper handle. This bowl is spacious enough for large batches, whether you're whipping up cookie dough for a family gathering or kneading dough for a homemade pizza night. The helper handle makes it easier to maneuver and pour, especially when you're dealing with heavier mixtures. This mixer is an excellent choice for a wide range of users. If you're an avid baker or a cooking enthusiast, you'll find that the precision and power of this mixer can elevate your culinary creations. It's also suitable for beginners who want a reliable machine that takes the hassle out of mixing and kneading. Whether you're making cakes, bread, or even whipping cream, this mixer can handle it all. Practical use cases for the Cuisinart SMD-50BC are abundant. Imagine hosting friends for a dinner party and effortlessly mixing your favorite cake batter while you focus on the rest of the meal. Or, consider how easy it would be to prepare homemade pasta dough for a cozy family dinner. The versatility of this stand mixer makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen. In summary, the Cuisinart SMD-50BC Precision Pro 5.5-quart digital stand mixer combines power, precision, and user-friendly features, making it a standout choice for anyone passionate about cooking and baking. With its robust motor, multiple speed settings, and thoughtful features like the countdown timer and pre-programmed settings, it simplifies the mixing process and helps ensure great results every time. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.